Welcome to Future Brain Tech, where we explore the incredible engineering marvels that transform our world and redefine the impossible limits. For millions of years, the restless ocean dictated where humans could build their homes, limiting our expansion to natural coastal zones. But one nation refused to accept nature's boundaries, choosing instead to challenge the status quo by constructing land from the depths. Instead of searching for existing land, they built it from scratch, crafting entire islands where only deep water once flowed freely.
Today these artificial islands host massive airports, dense cities, busy ports, and luxury resorts that accommodate millions of people every day.
Yet beneath every grain of sand lies one of the greatest engineering battles ever fought against the immense power of nature.
How do you build solid ground where only deep ocean once existed? It requires mastery of physics and advanced maritime technology.
As populations continue to climb rapidly, the demand for space on limited coastlines has driven humanity to seek innovative new solutions.
Major shipping routes and expensive urban land have forced nations like the Netherlands, Japan, Singapore, and the UAE to expand.
Without this dramatic expansion, economic growth would eventually stop. So engineers proposed an idea: if land does not exist, we will create it ourselves, using human ingenuity to reshape the very surface of our planet.
Not every stretch of ocean can support an island, so teams spend years studying currents, depth, and the seabed geology carefully.
Before construction begins, they must account for earthquake risks, tidal movements, and marine ecosystems to ensure long-term environmental structural safety.
Satellite imaging and AI simulations reveal what lies beneath the seabed, helping experts determine the best placement for stable island foundations.
Hundreds of drilling operations are performed to analyze thousands of data points, ensuring that the ground can support massive future structures.
The first major challenge is creating land, using massive suction dredgers to remove millions of cubic meters of sand from offshore.
Powerful pumps transport the sand through enormous pipelines, carrying a mixture of sediment and seawater directly into designated containment zones today.
Slowly, the ocean disappears beneath mountains of imported sediment, as the island begins to rise above the waves through continuous efforts.
Every single day, thousands of truckloads of equivalent material are added, making the island rise higher and become more solid ground.
Freshly reclaimed land is inherently unstable, often feeling like a giant wet sponge that would sink under the weight of buildings.
Engineers install vertical drains and use dynamic compaction to strengthen the soil, ensuring that the ground becomes firm and safe enough. For months and sometimes years, the ground slowly compresses under its own weight until it reaches the required level of density.
The sea never stops fighting back against our structures, with powerful waves and storm surges constantly attacking the newly built shoreline. Engineers respond with mega seawalls and concrete armor units designed to absorb wave energy rather than resisting it with brute force. It is not a battle of strength, but a sophisticated battle of physics, where every structure is carefully designed for stability. Now comes the visible transformation as roads, power grids, and water treatment plants appear where only ocean existed a few years. Entire neighborhoods appear rapidly, with buildings standing on foundations engineered specifically for the unique conditions of this newly reclaimed sea ground.
Artificial islands face unique challenges that natural land never experiences, such as ground settlement, saltwater intrusion, and climate change-related rise.
Thousands of embedded sensors track movement constantly, allowing AI systems to analyze structural health and predict maintenance needs before issues arise.
Tomorrow's islands will be even smarter, featuring floating districts, carbon-neutral infrastructure, and
Future reclamation projects may even use recycled construction materials instead of natural sand, as engineering continues to evolve for our planet.
For thousands of years, human civilization adapted to geography, but now we have reached a point where geography adapts to humanity.
Artificial islands represent more than just construction. They are monuments to human imagination, determination, and our incredible engineering excellence globally today. Where waves once rolled endlessly, entire cities now stand, proving that the impossible can indeed become solid ground for our future.
The next time you see an island rising from the sea, remember it was engineered by human ambition, not by nature.
Our team works tirelessly to bring you these stories where impossible ideas become reality, pushing the boundaries of what is possible.
Behind every structure you see today lies years of research, countless hours of planning, and the dedication of brilliant global minds. The dredging process is a symphony of precision, moving millions of cubic meters of material to reshape the coastal map effectively. From the bustling ports of Singapore to the luxury resorts of Dubai, these islands are the new frontiers of our civilization.
Engineering also respects the environment as we create new habitats for marine life, ensuring that progress and nature coexist in harmony. Every millimeter of settlement is measured, ensuring that the ground remains secure for the massive skyscrapers that will soon rise above. These defenses are built to withstand the harshest storms, proving that human ingenuity can indeed shield us from the ocean's fury. Energy efficiency is at the core of these cities, with microgrids and renewable sources powering the daily lives of millions living. It is not just about utility, it is about creating livable, green spaces that enhance the quality of life for all residents. Innovative materials are tested for years before being used, ensuring they can withstand the constant salt air and humidity of oceans. Connecting the world requires bold decisions, and these airports stand as testaments to our ability to overcome any geographical barrier possible. Collaboration is key, as experts from different fields work together to solve the complex problems inherent in building on the sea.
We look ahead to the future, designing these islands to adapt to rising sea levels and ensure they remain safe forever. The pace of development is breathtaking, as we build entire cities in the time it once took to plan a single building. At night, these islands shine like jewels in the ocean, a symbol of our bright future and the progress we have achieved.
Remote technology allows us to build with unprecedented precision, reducing risks and increasing efficiency in every single step of the process.
Design knows no bounds, as we create islands in shapes that inspire awe and reflect the creativity of our modern human civilization.
Sustainability is the foundation, with advanced systems processing water and waste to keep the ocean clean for all future generations ahead.
Quality control is absolute, with rigorous checks performed at every stage to ensure the safety and longevity of these massive structures.
Each sunrise brings new opportunities to build and innovate, proving that our ambition has no limit when we work together globally. These ports serve as vital hubs for global trade and tourism, connecting people and cultures across the vast, once impassable, blue ocean.
Protecting our infrastructure from corrosion is a constant challenge, but modern chemical treatments and advanced coatings provide the protection we need.
The story of these islands is one of continuous growth, a reflection of our ever-expanding needs and our capacity to innovate.
Digital twins allow us to test scenarios before we break ground, minimizing mistakes and maximizing the success of our ambitious projects.
Deep foundation systems are crucial, anchoring these structures firmly to the earth and ensuring they withstand the forces of nature always.
Greening the island is a priority, as we create lush landscapes that offer a breath of fresh air amidst the modern city.
Urban planning on these islands is a masterclass in efficiency, with every street and building designed to optimize flow and connectivity.
Connectivity is the lifeblood of these cities, with fiber optic networks ensuring that everyone stays connected to the world at high speeds.
Sustainable transport is integrated into the design, with bike paths and public transit making it easy to navigate the entire island. Clean energy is harvested from the sun and the wind, providing a sustainable power source for the entire island's daily operations.
Risk management is a continuous process, as we prepare for every possible scenario to ensure the safety of our citizens always.
The contrast between the natural ocean and our man-made land is a testament to the power of human vision and engineering. Geological precision is the key to our success, as we understand the soil beneath our feet better than ever before today. Bridges and tunnels link these islands to the mainland, creating a seamless flow of people and resources across the wide expanse.
Precision is our guiding principle as we build structures that must stand the test of time against the elements and gravity.
Architectural beauty meets functional design, as these buildings are created to be both visually stunning and highly efficient for their users. As the sun sets, the city comes alive with lights, a shining beacon of human progress in the middle of the ocean.
Automation is the heart of our operations, allowing us to manage complex systems with ease and ensuring optimal performance every day.
From this height, you can see the true scale of our ambition, a city built where there was once only water.
New materials are constantly being tested, pushing the limits of what we can build and how long our structures can last.
We prioritize green spaces, ensuring that residents have access to nature even in the heart of our most advanced urban developments.
The skyline is constantly evolving as we build higher and more efficiently to accommodate the growing needs of our modern society.
Planning is the foundation of every success, as we meticulously design every aspect of these cities to ensure they thrive forever.
Materials are sourced from around the world, ensuring we have the highest quality resources to build our islands to perfection now.
Water is part of the landscape, with canals and waterways enhancing the beauty and functionality of the island for all residents.
Every survey is conducted with extreme care, ensuring that our buildings are perfectly placed and aligned with the master urban plan.
The sun sets on another day of progress, as we prepare for the challenges and opportunities that tomorrow will surely bring.
Data drives our decisions, allowing us to build smarter and safer structures that will serve humanity for many decades to come.
From space, our achievements are clearly visible, a testament to what we can accomplish when we dare to dream big dreams. Infrastructure is the backbone of our cities, connecting every part of the island and ensuring that life runs smoothly for everyone.
Lighting is controlled by smart systems, ensuring that we save energy while keeping our streets safe and well lit during the night.
Recreation is essential, and our man-made beaches provide a perfect getaway for those who want to enjoy the sun and sea.
Learning from every project is vital as we take the lessons from the past to build a better future for everyone.
This city is alive with energy, a testament to the fact that we can build homes anywhere if we have ambition. Comfort is key in our buildings, with advanced climate control systems that keep our indoor environments perfect all year round today.
The glass and steel of our buildings reflect the bright future we are building together, one island at a time, every day.
Safety against seismic activity is built into our designs, ensuring that our buildings can withstand the forces of the earth itself.
Trade and connection are the lifeblood of our island cities, keeping us linked to the global economy and growing stronger always.
Expansion is inevitable as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible and build a world that fits our.
Clean water is essential, and our infrastructure ensures that every resident has access to the resources they need to thrive here.
Living on the edge of the ocean is a dream come true, and we have made it a reality for millions today.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Future Brain Tech for more amazing engineering stories as we build the future.